that seems like a headline. Did you read that in the New York Times? You probably did. Kind of weird, since hundreds of millions of people got the shot. The researchers continued that in their studies of the COVID vaccine, quote, we identified potential profound disturbances in regulatory control, protein synthesis, and cancer surveillance. These disturbances potentially have a causal link to neurodegenerative disease, myocarditis, Bell's palsy, liver disease, impaired adaptive immunity, impaired DNA damage response, etc. So
this raises a few questions. I was reading stuff, and a couple years ago, from the CDC and the manufacturers and all this stuff, and there's a few of the ones that got my channel took down that actually turned out to be not misinformation at all, because I went right to the manufacturer and the CDC. But I was censored heavily and lost a 10,000 person channel over this topic. So I'm wondering, Susan, now that it's been proven that, I wasn't wrong about the mark of the beast and all of these fucking videos over here that he struck my channel for. I'm wondering, do I get an apology? Or are you just going to continue doing this? Because people see you. They see what you're doing. I see. And I'm not going to let you forget. Okay? Because this is seriously fucked up, people. I got hit for a Texas State Senate meeting. That is a political meeting of politicians talking about this subject. The politicians. I didn't speak, but someone seemed that I should get struck on it. How'd that happen? Huh? I should be able to post up my Texas State meetings, shouldn't I? I would think. See?
Senate Committee on State
Here,
Affairs.
let's pause it because it's obviously sensitive to some people. Senate Committee on State Affairs got me literally struck. Since when does it go against community standards to read literature or listen to a Senate meeting? All this has been recorded on hard drives everywhere. Court empirical evidence. Are you going to hide it? That would even be worse for you, wouldn't it? I think. I used to be a senatorial top investigator, and I have litigated state officials. I know the law, and I know when it's being broken. Stop breaking the law. That is insane. Fact checkers need to be fact checked. All right? So after the fact, I'm going to tell you right now, you need to get over to my BitChute if you want to know what the fuck is going on and what the fuck to do. Because over here on YouTube, we're not allowed to talk about real things, are we? Unless they come out in the mainstream. Then Tucker Carlson can say anything he wants. But I can give you the medical information over here that doctors and senators have been giving us for a couple of years now. And I just download what they say. I ask a lot of questions, but over here, Susie wants to strike channels and take them down. I want to reiterate this in maybe different terms. People don't understand the level of influence I had is all I'm trying to accentuate. I did this, motherfuckers. I did this. I didn't have help. I didn't have a coalition. I had my torch and my kiln, and I sat there with my son and legalized hemp federally for the first time since the Tax Act. You've got your CBD and your building materials and your gas solutions. If anybody would wake up, pull their head out of their butt. I did this and then felt confident after that I could, tell Davis about the cartwheeling moon. And he told me about what was coming. And I've been absolutely uncannily accurate about everything I've fucking said since 2014 about what is coming. I've got it on my bit shoot. And I've got some of it here. That's all I got. Susie took down 800 videos. They don't like fact given here. To be clear, since I stepped down, they've tried to murder me and had agents, several hundred of them, bothering me for 12 years. Documented, proven, and verified by one of the generals here, Caddy Joe Willie. Let's see what she has to say.
Sunday, as you can see, it's one of Derek's closer friends. I owe you the biggest apology in the world. Yes. You're not going to believe me when I tell you Derek Bros is in Mexico because he tried to strangle his wife to death. He is also wanted by the feds for federal crimes she can't discuss.
I have
etc.
detail.
He tried to kill her. She's seen the pictures, sent pictures. Want to know what I have on Derek? Well, I've said it.
The lady couldn't sleep until she apologized to me for what they have been doing to me for several years. Okay? It's been one hell of a fun trip. I get people talking about my theories. I do not put theory on this channel. I give you fact, verifiable fact. So you can take your theory somewhere else. I don't sit around and tolerate a whole bunch of theories being tossed around in my chat either. I'm offering you an opportunity to learn something you never knew. I don't want to know about the lies you learned from Operation Mockingbird over here on YouTube, just like on mainstream, in my chat. That isn't what this channel is about. I'm not here to be your friend. I really couldn't give a fuck if you clicked on it or not. And if you find my language offensive, you might want to study spells and how sweet lips put you to sleep. I'm sick and tired of debating that. And if you think I'm blaspheming Creator, let me tell you something. The little God in your twisted lie book has nothing to do with the Creator of our freaking universe and existence. Put it down. I'm not blaspheming anyone. I'm speaking gospel truth that's fucking evident, self-evident, and proven with evidence. I take you through medical journals and everything, talk about your magnet frequencies and stuff. I give you a little bit of a fucking physics lesson. And I require you to become familiar with that. Such as the magnet that's centered in your chest, that is regulated by the nerve sac around your heart. You can manipulate magnetic fields. Magnetic fields, every atom in existence has a magnetic field. Starting to get the picture? Muon, strong magnet field at the center of every atom. 1748 hertz. The oscillations of omnipresence. You got a magnet in your chest, entangled with every atom in existence at a distance, instantaneously. That's properties of magnetism. And the quantum theory, yeah, of course they're entangled. They're all magnetic. It's not a theory, it's actually physics. And you're entangled with this magnet, but you got her closed off with little closed field lines. You got to open up and relax into this magnet to inherit her strength. You got to understand she's a living being that was created by an immensely wise creator. You have a direct connection to the creator right there, not in a book. This is your angel you're born on, and you share the same brain waves, 7.83 hertz, Schumann, as she does. Now hers is spiking, yours is remaining the same, and you're starting to lose your ability to sleep. You're getting seasick, hearing ringing, dizzy. Learn to be meek, relax into Creator's angel, and give her the energy you don't need. She'll give you the energy you do need, just like a plant fart. We've gone over this. Our Creator provides the energy for this magnet to heal and take away pain and do greater works. Body, stewards, protectors of all life, and healers. Wake the fuck up. This is not a theory. This is reality. It is your birthright. We were created and designed in a three-sun system to be the difference in this time. It is not time to fear or listen to lies. Open your eyes. Look into physics. Science never fought with Creator. We have been lied to. Period.